It also provides energy for athletes during exercise. In fact, the original research on carnitine was done in athletes, and again, focusing on the three fuels that we use during exercise: carbs, fats, and protein if necessary, but really stimulating the body under aerobic conditions to use fats over carbohydrates, because we do have far more fat reserves for doing that. And in terms of performance, L-carnitine has been shown to increase, and these studies are done in marathoner runners, increasing VO2 max in marathoners and cyclists during long-distance events. And this is very important because VO2 max is actually an important measure in terms of a person's ability to perform at high-intensity exercise. So carnitine increases VO2 max, especially in long-distance exercise. In terms of fatigue, carnitine reduces lactic acid, and it spares glycogen. So it will prolong fatigue, and it's a very important factor in doing that. Studies support that. So we all know lactic acid is not a good thing. We've talked a lot about beta-alanine in terms of its function to neutralize lactic acid, but carnitine supplementation actually decreases lactic acid accumulation and spares glycogen, and therefore would delay fatigue and have the beneficial effect there. In terms of recovery, L-carnitine prior to exercise, especially high-intensity exercise, can significantly reduce muscle pain and decrease muscle damage. And this has been shown in both trained and untrained subjects, so trained athletes and those that are not trained. So again, decreasing the pain, the subjective feeling of pain, which is a complex process, and also delaying that process, enhancing the oxygen availability and blood flow. So it will enhance recovery. So it's very important during exercise for performance, fatigue, and recovery. It promotes the use of fats, and that's really what the body wants to use during exercise, burn fat. Carnitine is critical in doing that. So a lot of very strong benefits